Hello everybody, my name is Sherry, and I have two $5,000 overload tickets from the Virginia Lottery. $5 tickets loaded with $305,000 prizes in the entire game. They had two separate rolls of these things on the same machine, so I got one roll is number 37-025 and the other roll is number 46-022. So we're doing the Battle of the Vending Machines. What is actually the same vending machine, just a different roll of tickets. We're going to find out which one of these suckers is going to win. Hopefully one of them wins. Okay, you match your numbers to the winning numbers, win the prize, get a money bag, get $500 instantly, or a double dollar sign wins double that prize. The odds are 1 in 4.39 to win any prize. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I'm going on a symbol hunt. There's a 29, a 10, a 30, a 9, number 9, lucky number 9, and there's a 1, a 4, 18, 3, 12. This scratcher is not working very well. 23. I don't have any other ones in here with me right now. Maybe I'll use a fork. Let's see. 15. That's better. An 8, 17, 14, and a 27. No symbols. Let's match up some numbers. 28. No, don't have that one. How's about a 16? No, I don't have that one either. What about a 13? No way. Jose. And a 10. Woohoo! We got a winner. And the winner is $5. $5 is better than no dollars, I tell you what. What? Alright, here we go. That's enough goofing around. Let's get back to the real me. Hi, this is the real me. How are you today? The numbers we are looking for are 7, 9, number 9, lucky number 9, 25, and a 1. There's a 6, 24, 14, number 4, 17, 8, 21, 23, no, 26, no, number 2, nope. Last line for any chance of winning money. There's a 20, a 12, an 18, a 10, and a 19. No way, Jose. This one's a loser. There's the B for bummer. Thanks for watching, everybody. We had a battle of the vending machine number slot holes, not that four machines. I went to a different Kroger. This Kroger only has one machine. My other Kroger had 2 of them. Oh well, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you later, guys. Bye, y'all.